Okay, here I am back at in Ilminster. We were here a couple of weeks ago, or more builder's waste. Chipboard there. So we've got this pile, rubble and all sorts. Bag here. It's supposed to be plasterboard at the bottom, but we'll have to pick it all out, make sure it is. Bags here. That lot there. Those are my bags, I just set these up, ready to sort it out. Okay. Have a look at it. Finished. Okay, finally finished. It was a bit of a mess. It took a while to sort out and separate because it was all jumbled up. So we got the hardcore, clean hardcore on the back, timber, a bit of scrap. I think that's about it there, yeah. And at the front in the dumpy bags is non-recyclables. Behind the partition, so I'll be able to tip the rubble, and then there's plasterboard behind the partition. So in the dumpy bags, non-recyclables, there's a bit of dirty wood underneath, chipboard and what have you, and then there's plasterboard filling that front part of the trailer. In the garden, right, that's all clear. Sounds a bit of a problem here. Sitting low, working late again. So that's all done. He's going to do with the cardboard, because that wasn't here when I first looked at it. So that's it. Get a cup of coffee and go home.